Shish, wanna know a secret? There's a faceless YouTube channel you've probably never seen, yet it's quietly pulling in $10,000 every month. No personality, no drama, no face, just smart automation. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and how you can do it too. Let's automate and elevate. Most people think you need millions of subscribers to make money on YouTube, but this channel barely scratches the surface and yet cashing in big. So, what's this hidden channel doing differently? I stumbled on it while researching automation. You don't need Hollywood editing, just the right system. Here's the secret. It's in a high CPM niche, finance, AI, or self-improvement. Advertisers throw serious money at these topics, so even a small audience can generate big income. Content style. Voiceover plus stock footage, no actors, no fancy cameras, just clear messages. No $1 million studio, just a clear message delivered simply. First, scripts. AI tools like ChatGPT can create drafts in minutes. Your job? You add the personality. AI builds the skeleton, you bring it to life. Second, there is voice with AI. Tools like 11 Labs or Pictory's built-in voices can narrate your script. Pick a voice that matches your brand: friendly, confident, and consistent. Bonus. AI never gets tired, and it won't complain when you make it re-record 10 times. Third, there's video with AI. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Canva pull stock footage, add captions, and sync it all up. Instead of editing for 6 hours, you're done in 20 minutes. Thumbnail with AI. Canva plus AI images can create eye-catching designs in minutes. Big, bold text. Simple image. Boom. Done. Monetization. Ads, affiliate links, and maybe a cheeky little ebook on the side. Stay consistent. 2-3 uploads a week and YouTube's algorithm eats that up. Now, why does this work so well while other channels struggle? 3 big reasons. Reason number 1. High CPM niche. A kids channel might make $2 for 1,000 views. A finance channel? That could be 20 or even 30. See the difference? Same effort, 10 times the money. Reason number 2. Retention first videos. Sticky topics keep people binge watching. YouTube notices and pushes it to more viewers. And reason #3. Consistency. Like brushing your teeth, boring, but effective. When uploads keep coming, the algorithm rewards it. And here's my favorite part, nobody even knows who runs it. Talk about stealth mode success. Now let's break this down even more, because if you want to copy it, you need the blueprint. Think of it like an automation stack. First, you've got scripts. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate full video scripts in minutes. You give it a prompt, it gives you a draft. Your job? Add a little personality, AI writes the skeleton, you bring it to life. Second, the voiceover. Tools like 11 Labs or Pictory's built-in voices can narrate your entire script. Pick a voice that matches your brand. Friendly, confident, and consistent. Bonus. AI never gets tired, and it doesn't complain when you make it re-record 10 times. Third, video production. Pictory, InVideo or Canva can auto-generate videos from your script. They pull stock footage, add captions, and sync it all up. Instead of editing for 6 hours, you're done in 20 minutes. Fourth, thumbnails. Canva plus AI images can create eye-catching designs in minutes. Big bold text. Simple image. Done. See what just happened? 4 jobs: writer, voice actor, video editor, graphic designer, all automated in one workflow. And AI doesn't ask for a coffee break. Now, let me give you a quick example so this feels real. Imagine you upload 2 videos a week. At a $20 CPM, that's about $500 per video. 4 videos a month? That's $2,000. Each one gets 25,000 views in a finance niche. At a $20 CPM, that's about $500 per video. Now add affiliate links, maybe a digital product, suddenly you're at 4 or even 5,000 a month. Scale that over a year? You're staring at a full-time income from a faceless channel. And remember, the system did most of the heavy lifting. Here's the fun part, you can start today. Here's your 4-step starter kit. Pick a profitable niche: finance, tech, motivation, or health. Use AI tools for scripts, voices, and video creation. Upload consistently, don't ghost YouTube. Monetize with ads, affiliates, and maybe your own product down the line. That's it. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just automate it. So while everyone else is chasing viral dances and trending drama, this little hidden channel is quietly stacking 10 grand a month on autopilot. And if they can do it, why not you? Until next time, automate and elevate.